Hi, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Here's the central market. The nearest the lightway station is over there. Is Pasar Seni. Yeah. So let's have a look what we got here. Let's oh, look at this. We got the classic nasi lemak there, you know. Yeah, this is the famous central market. This is the souvenir shop. Let's see what we got here. Oh, look at this, the food category. Oh, it's a very colorful. Look at this. It's nice, isn't it? Food container. Got a bag there. Oh, look at this. Got a water bottle there. Got this the traditional handbag. Some keychain. Now I'm heading to the Merdeka Square. Yeah, so you get up from the central market. It's just 5 minutes walk to the Merdeka Square. We cross the road here. Yeah, we are walking toward the Merdeka Square. Yeah.
Turn right onto Jalan Raja.
This is the here's the Merdeka Square. This is the Merdeka Square. Yeah. This is the Abdullah building. This is the famous landmark in KL. I think it's called Sultan Abdullah something. Yeah. The building next to the Merdeka Square. It's one of the most visited tourist place in in Malaysia. Yeah, it's very hot today, really hot. You know the building there, with the red roof, that is Royal Selangor Cup, you know. So yeah. Yeah, it's the most visited place in Malaysia. Now we are walking to the Masjid station to take the train to the KLCC. It's really hot. It's too hot to be honest. It's just too hot. Oh, here's the Milo cart. It's a chocolate drink vendor. Yeah. If you find street vendor like this, yeah, normally the price is really good. Yeah, normally it's very good price. You know, the fresh fruits. You know, you got this like a watermelon and honeydew melon, stuff like that. Pineapple. Bang, bagi satu nanas lagi ya. Thank you. Tak mau somboy ya. Sedap kok.
Manis ha?
Good.
Sambal tak mau?
Tak mau. Thank you abang. Just right behind the Merdeka Square, you got this like individual store selling food. Yeah. Yeah, it's value for money. See the chicken rice is 12 ringgit. This is the place right behind the Merdeka Square. Yeah, it's right behind there. That is the train station. Yeah, this is the drainage system for the I'm gonna go in that way to catch a train to KLCC. It's over there. We arrived at the KLCC. This is the landmark in KL. Oh, it's quite high, yeah? Scary, yeah? This is the entrance to the KLCC. Nice and cool here. Yeah, it's boiling outside. It's hot. It's like walking in the oven. Yeah. This is like what? Shopping paradise. Look at this. the food hall. Everything you can find will be here. This is the main entrance of the KLCC. See if you see, there's a small garden right in front of the KLCC. It's pretty nice, but it's just too hot, you know. I think it's too hot for me, but yeah, I think about 40 degrees outside here. It's just too hot, like, you know. But if you look at this size, this is the KLCC. We look at this. It's just big, yeah, huge, yeah. Yeah, that is the that building there. That one is the public bank, and yeah, it's center of the KL. Yeah, just a high-rise building. Look at that one. Look at that one. I don't know what is that one there, but it just, yeah. getting out from here, this is you just need to buy one of these day pass, touch and go card, and you just touch it and you go. That's it. Yeah. Or you can, if you don't have the touch and go, that touch and go is the best. You just buy from the counter over there, or you can get a single ticket from the machine. Yeah, here's the single ticket from the machine. Depends on which way, you know, which one you want to go. Red color, green color, dark green, yellow color, and yeah. A single journey costs about maybe two ringgit or something. This is the outside of the hotel.